So welcome back to Electric Vehicles channel, my dear friends. I am Krishna Chaitanya Mandela. This is India's first geared electric bike, Surge. The Surge electric bike comes with two variants, Surge 6K and Surge 10K. And this is a high performance electric bike which can reach a top speed of up to 120 km per hour. And the acceleration of 0 to 60 km per hour in less than 4 seconds, which is 3.9 seconds, it can reach 0 to 60 km per hour. So I will start with the specifications of Surge electric bike. Firstly, it works with a mid-drive motor, and the mid-drive motor is connected to the rear wheel, and the motor capacity is 5 kilowatts continuous power, and the peak power is 10 kilowatts. Whereas Surge 6K, the variant motor power is 3 kilowatt continuous and 6.5 kilowatt peak power. Also, the 5 kilowatt mid-drive motor is connected to a chain drive, it's not a belt drive. And we also asked the question why you have used chain drive over the belt drive. They mentioned like for chain drive motors only there is a 3% efficiency drop, whereas the belt drive there will be efficiency drop of up to 12%. That's the reason they mentioned they go for a chain drive rather than a belt drive. And the 5 kilowatt mid-drive motor gets power from a 77.7 volt 40 ampere lithium manganese oxide batteries. So these batteries are detachable. So each battery pack will give you a range of 150 kilometers. So with 3 battery modules, we'll get a maximum range of 450 kilometers. And that 450 kilometers of range, you will get in the eco mode, where you need to maintain a top speed of up to 45 kilometers to 50 kilometers per hour. And now coming to the braking, the front and rear, it comes with disc brake action, and also the braking system is CBS. They are providing with the CBS and they are not going for ABS because it's taking some time for them, and that's the reason they are committed for the CBS. And the tire size is 110 by 70 for the front wheel, and the rear side it is 140 by 60, that is the rear wheel size. And also the Surge electric bike is IoT connected, so you will get a dashboard here, the 7-inch dashboard, and the display is not a touchscreen display. It can be operated with buttons only. You can see navigation and the vehicle performance, the range, the speed, everything it will be shown in the 7-inch dashboard. And suspension wise, it comes with a up-down telescopic fork at the front side. In the rear side, it is a multi-link monoshock absorber for better ride comfort in the irregular roads. And coming to the seat, this is the prototype version. It will be better comfortable seating will be provided at the final production version. And I already told you at the earlier part, this is actually a prototype version. Just to have a perspective of this Surge electric bike, this is the performance, this is the way it will look. But in the final version, you will have a better seat, everything. And also this is a made in India electric bikes. That's the reason actually you can use the boot space as well. This is the trunk part, you can be utilized as the boot space also. In addition to that, you can keep 3 battery packs. Also under the seat, you can keep some of the luggage also. I mean the charger space is also there. So under the seat you can keep the charger. That's what the company said, they will adjust like that. So this is the front part of the Surge 10K electric bike. So I will on the headlamp for you now. So this is the lighting part, and they also said that they will integrate the side lamps to the mirrors here, and they will fit the mirrors here, so the side lights will be integrated into the mirrors. That's what they said. And one of our subscriber asked one question, interesting question, that where will they keep the number plate at the front part? So the official told to me that the number plate will be kept somewhere here, because if they keep the number plate here, it is obstructing the airflow. That's the reason they want to keep the number plate somewhere here. And moreover, this is the prototype version design, right? Even the front part of the design, everything will be changed. You can see the production picture over here. So that's a final production picture coming up, and this is the prototype version. And you can see this is the front mudguard, and the front disc brake everything. And this is the telescopic suspension for the Surge electric bike. And this Surge electric bike is India's first geared electric bike, and the operation is 1 down and 3 up. That's how you can operate the gears of this electric bike. And the company also mentioned that you don't need a clutch like a conventional petrol vehicle. This electric bike, all you can operate from the gears itself. You can neglect this clutch as well. So this is the mid-drive motor. It is a 5 kilowatt continuous power motor, and it is connected to a chain drive here. So this is the rear wheel. Also the pillion footrest will come over here, and the charging point, the slow charging socket will come here. So this is the point, the charging point, the slow charging point will come here, and it is a 12 amps charger. With that you can charge this electric bike in 3.5 hours. And this is the rear wheel 140 by 60 inch, and also this is the braking system, the disc brake system, and final version it will come with CBS, combi braking system. And on the other side you already saw the mid-drive motor here, and this is the monoshock suspension. It is a multi-linkage monoshock suspension, which is one of India's first kind of suspension. This is completely designed by Emote Electric. And over here it comes the DC fast charger. This is a CCS type 2 connector, it will come here. So with a DC fast charger you can charge this electric bike in 1 hour. And this is the battery pack here. So you can keep 3 battery packs at a time. Each battery pack will give you 150 kilometers of range. So for 3 battery packs you will get a maximum range of 450 kilometers. And you will get an open edge here in the final production stage, so where you can open the battery pack from here. So let's go for a test ride on Surge 10K electric bike and see how it performs on road. So just now I have completed the test ride on the Surge 10K electric bike, and definitely you will feel like the conventional feel of a petrol vehicle because of the weight. It weighs around 126 kilograms, but the final version the weight will be a little lower, under 120 kilograms, and it because of the battery pack. And if you keep 3 battery packs, it weighs around almost 170 kilograms. And you can feel the robustness once you keep the 3 battery packs, but still the 120 kilograms, it's enough to feel an electric bike, everything, the acceleration, everything. I didn't go for much top speed, but still what they have mentioned, the 3.9 seconds, 60 km per hour top speed, you can feel it because of the gears, everything, the first gear. And I will also tell you the gear operation here. So the first gear, it is down, the next it is neutral, and it is second gear and third gear, and the fourth gear is up. And definitely you have to test it this Surge 10K electric bike to feel the power of an electric bike. So overall, Emote Electric will launch 2 electric bike variants, Surge 10K and Surge 6K. The difference is Surge 10K has a motor power of 5 kilowatt with a peak power of 10 kilowatt, whereas the top speed is 120 km per hour and a range of 450 kilometers. Also, there are 4 gears in Surge 10K. And now coming to Surge 6K, the rated power is 3 kilowatt and the peak power is 6.5 kilowatt, and the top speed is 100 km per hour, and it comes with 3 gear system, and it also comes with the same 450 kilometers of range. So there will be no change in the battery pack, only the change is the motor capacity. So people who have already pre-booked the Surge 10K or Surge 6K, I think you need to wait for another few months. Earlier they have mentioned the expected launch date is on September, but still we need to see on which month they're going to launch this vehicle. They also promised the delivery dates by December this year, but again I think there will be a delay. We can expect in 1 or 2 months, but still it is worth wait of the Surge 10K electric bike.
For genuine information, subscribe to Electric Vehicles channel. Go green, go electric.